In a press conference on March 19th, Bibi Yahu, the leader of Israel, stated that Jesus Christ, the Lord of Lords, the King of Kings, has no advantage over someone who is dead. Yes, I will repeat that for you. Bibi Yahu, the leader of Israel, stated that Jesus Christ, the man who went to the cross and died and then got back up on the third day, has no advantage over someone who is dead.
Well, history proves that, unfortunately and unhappily, Jesus Christ has no advantage over Genghis Khan. Because if you are strong enough, ruthless enough, powerful enough, evil will overcome good.
I got an issue. I got a real big issue. And my issue is that when Drewski did his skit on the church, you seen so many pastors, so many leaders, so many members doing their think pieces, writing essays, making videos, doing podcasts on what he said. You even had pastors reposting Mike Todd and telling him that he needs to take accountability for his actions. But now y'all are quiet. Nobody is not speaking up. Nobody is not saying anything about the things that are going on in Israel, about what Bibi just said. Nobody is speaking up about the EpiPen files. It's giving y'all are compromised. It's giving there's an agenda here. It's giving psychological oppression. It's giving religious oppression, economic oppression. It's giving that y'all are playing the game. It's giving that y'all are not for God I live and for God I die. It's giving Antichrist. So I need somebody that calls themselves an ordained minister to please help me understand what is it about that's going on today that is okay, and why isn't anybody speaking up or addressing this? Our kids are being kidnapped and sacrificed to deities and to gods. They was already playing with fire with saying God this and God that, because we knew they weren't talking about the God we serve. But now this man has mentioned my brother, Jesus Christ. Alright, now I want all the smoke. And I want all the smoke with those who don't want to stand up, who has a platform and is not speaking out. What's up? Yeah, what's up? Use your platform. Say something. If you ain't gonna say nothing about Israel or Jesus, say something about the kids. Or you like to drink kids' blood too. You like to eat children too. Or are you a molester too? Are you a rapist too? Are you a murderer too? So help me to help myself understand what's going on, and why ain't no leaders out here stepping behind our kids and behind the Jesus Christ that died for our sins. Enough is enough. He went too far. It's been gone too far. But now he has said it. He said that our king has no advantage over somebody who is dead. Say something. Say something. You got souls to save. Looking real weak right now. Church is looking real weak right now. So say something.